Hi parents and students. I am going to do a quick tutorial of my Google Classroom so that it may be easier to be able to find assignments and other links that are needed on a daily basis. So when your child first logs in to Google Classroom, this is the very beginning. It is called the stream. This is where you will find your meeting link, and then this is where I post. I always write something in the morning, so good morning, and then I usually write about our morning check-in and what time they need to click into the meeting. Then at the very top, the most important is our classwork. So the classwork is going to be in order of topic. So in the morning, their first thing that they need to do is their morning check-in. Students can do this before our morning meeting. I will always open the check-in early. However, they don't have to, they can wait. But it makes things quicker if they want to do that. Every day is listed. So when they are confused on which assignment they're going to do, it will tell them that day. So if today is Wednesday, it will say Wednesday. They will click on it. Then they will click on the Google form and fill it out. The other slide will be the morning meeting agenda. So it'll give them a list of the items that we work on that day. So the first thing they will do is their morning check-in. We will also do growth mindset together as a class. If you notice, it says week 2 and not a date. That means we're going to do a little bit each day, and the whole assignment is due Friday. The next section, it will say ELA, language writing. It says the time in which we're going to work on it. It will say the date that they are going to complete it. And if they see anything that says week 2, that means that they're doing something a little bit each day, and then they turn it in at the end of the week. The next one is math. Again, so they do a little bit of extra math every day and a little bit of these centers every day for this week. Next week, it will be actual lessons, but these are the assignments this week, and the assignments are due on Friday because it says week 2 and it doesn't say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. Then they go to break at 11 o'clock and come back at 12:30, and then the assignments for 12:30 are on here. So it's science, social studies, iReady, ELD, and PE time would be in this area. So if it says the day, then that's the assignment that they will work on that day. Please check also if there's 2, that means that there is a video. I try to add videos in most of my lessons to help explain the assignment. And then if there is one that says week, that means that they work on it every day. So iReady, we do every day, and the students will click on it and complete the iReady checklist every day. They're just going to move a star until the checklist is complete on Friday, and then turn in the entire assignment in on Friday. When students reach important resources, that means they are done with the assignments for that day. Anything below important resources is old assignments. I cannot get rid of it because Google Classroom does not have a way to archive these without taking it out of the gradebook. So once the students get to important resources, they are done for that week. So I really hope that this tutorial helps so that students can navigate. If a student is absent, they are still able to go on here and see what our daily agenda was, and they should be able to see all their assignments that they missed so that they don't get behind. So thank you for watching this, and I hope this clarifies how to go through Google Classroom.